The 15-minute city has strong urban form requirements, which should be integrated in any transition strategy for suburbs and car-dependent outskirts. For these spaces, we propose a new model, the Evolutive Meshed Compact City, emc2, based on compact developments along existing main roads to form a mesh across the metropolitan area. Researchers will first produce a detailed specification of the emc2 model. The key to success for the 15-minute peripheral city is to put every city dweller within a 15-minute walk from a main street. Main streets must become central places. Dense, with active facades, they are functionally mixed, rich of diverse public spaces and interconnected. Following these specifications, researchers will determine the emc2 potential in 6 European metropolitan areas. Geospatial analysis will identify the foreground street network, its streetscape and retailscape, as well as the socio-demographic potential around it. Networks of peripheral main areas must also be understood in their historical formation. The underlying long and short-term dynamics contribute to the evolutive potential of the model. Synergies and conflicts between main streets, multimodal mobility corridors, and ecological networks must be understood to better specify the emc2 model. Urban ecosystem services and agent-based simulation models will thus be developed on test areas in Sweden and in France. In a further research effort, test areas close to the emc2 model will be analyzed at finer scale. They will be assessed through fieldwork, usage analysis, and 3D models to understand the observable advantages and drawbacks of these almost emc2 examples. Project proposals for a full model implementation will be developed in close cooperation with institutional partners. Finally, researchers will look for generalization, to pass from what is learned on given case studies to what could be applied to all European cities wishing to implement the model. Assessment and intervention guidelines will be produced for the use of urban practitioners in the form of a pattern language.